Guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a L'Oreal lip swatch video, and I recently tried some lipsticks by L'Oreal which I really love, so I was able to purchase a couple more and I just wanted to share them with you. So if you want to see this lip swatch video, then let's just get started. Alright, so the first one is the one that I already have on, and I put it on with a lip liner. I do wear these all the time without a lip liner, but the first one is number 900 and it's called Glossy Fawn, and it's really just a like nude. It's like your lips but better. Let's see if I can get that. It's right there. So it's really such a beautiful color. They're nourishing on your lips, and when they fade super nice. It's like they fade as if you had nothing on your lips. They don't look ugly, they don't crack, they're just super moisturizing, or you just want to keep putting it on. So that's number one. So number two is the one that I have on my lips now, and it's number 904. And this one I believe is in Varnished, let me see. It is in Varnished Rosewood. And this is the one that I got in my Ulta haul that inspired me to get 3 more lip colors. And this one I believe looks great on every skin tone. So if you're darker, it's gonna look a little bit lighter, and then if you're lighter skin tone, it's gonna look a little bit darker, but still beautiful. Wears very well. I've worn this several times, and it's just awesome. I love the way this wears. So that's number 2. Okay, so number 3 is this beautiful color right here, and it's called Laminated Fuchsia. And so I forgot to swatch the one before. So here's Varnished Rosewood in the middle, and that is this fuchsia color, Laminated Fuchsia, that I have on my lips. So super beautiful. It's great for spring and summer, and you need this lipstick in your life. This last one is called Splendid Blackberry. It's super beautiful and vampy, and I swatched it right there. So they're super easy to wear. They do not get on your teeth. They don't spread out in your lines, through your lip lines, and they're super affordable. They were $9.99 at Longs, and I had a 40% off coupon, so that was super affordable. A lot of times they go on sale at Ulta for buy one get one 40% off, or buy one get one 50% off. So these are very affordable. They have a ton of colors. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this lip swatch video. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.